Hello, welcome again to Coding Academy. This is one of the basic times that we'll be talking about website building, and we'll be now basing on AI, using AI, how to use AI to build the website. But before we continue, there is something that I want to tell you. If you are a beginner who want just to be there building shabby website that is looking very worse, you are the only one person who don't want to study about it. But before, please, you go to study this process of creating the website using AI. Either you may follow the tutorials online, or you may follow how they work, but still you will build something and you keep seeing it very shabby. And it will be not shabby because you don't know how to do it, or AI don't know how to do it. It will be shabby because you're only guiding this strong machine of creating website very slow, or in not good matter. You must first at least know at least three languages, from CSS, HTML, and JavaScript, because as you know, those three language, you know the workflows, how they work, and then that is how you will be connecting with AI to build a website. So today we are going to use the free version of this Claude AI. We are just going to study prompting Claude AI to build a simple website step by step that is very professional, that even a person who is next to you can see and say that you know everything professional. Before you build a website, you must first prompt AI so that it can prompt you in order to know how you can proceed with the conversation that is going to be between you and the AI. So let us go step by step. Suppose, for example, I wanted to build a simple website that is composed of a navigational bar, hero section, followed by a section that is representing the new item, and the section that is representing the old item, and the last part will be the footer of that website. So the way to build it, we are first going to prompt AI so that she can suggest us, and we tell her what to do step by step. For example, I want to build a website. You to build a website composed of nav part, two section, three section. For example, hello, hero, followed followed by two section of new item and all the item, each after you add the footer section. You see, this is the first part that I asked the website, meaning that this AI, if you submit things like this, she will build something that is very worse, that you don't even want to see. First thing you suggest, so brainstorm this idea and tell me UI of client how will be looking like, and I will suggest good idea after. You see, now she's going to think step by step, and she'll come. Great idea. Let me brainstorm step by step. The nav bar with the logo on the left, menu links in the center, home, new items, old items, about, contact, and the cart CTA button on the right, dark blended background of the most letters. Now say that. Then we continue with the new item section that is showcasing a latest level. Each card has the product image, name, price, and add to cart view section heading like fresh arrivals with subtle badge of or tag on each saying new. Old item section similar card, the grid layout but with different color tone, visibility separate, maybe slightly match or warm tones section heading like classic picks or on sale could include a discount badge or best seller label to make it feel valuable, not outdated. Footer mini content with brand logo, tagline, quick links, and the social media icon. So you see, we only need the home, new, and old items. We don't want the sequel, these things. Don't need these things. And again, use tailwind CSS step by step. I will tell you modification so that it goes to premium. Okay, now she's going to design front-end design skills step by step. Got it, clean nav bar. Now she's creating step by step, creating base of the website where tailwind CSS. Let us see what she make for us. We are using Claude AI. Let's see what happens step by step. She's thinking about what will be, and then if you want to see how she's building it, you do it like this, and then you keep seeing, scroll downing codes, card 2, card 3, that is the items, and then after she will disapply it right here. Okay, let us see what happens step by step, and you will know how to build the website using Claude AI from now and on. Now let us see the index is HTML, see how it is looking like. Warning, tailwind CSS should not be used, and if we want code we should see there, and let us see. Publish the artifact, no, we don't want it to publish. See how it is working like. It is very well blended, and I want to open it on another side so that we can see fully how it. Let's tell her open it in blank. Let's see when we tell her to open it. Here is the website full look, and then you can convert into live rendered preview above. Which kind of preview? Let's see. Last minutes. Publish the artifact. No preview. And then you keep on. So you can see how it is looking like, but you cannot see preview. Where is preview? So that now you can see how it is working, like ratings, classic, picks. So you see how this kind of website now is working like. So we want a little addition so that this will be working very well. Let's tell her add the rating stars to product that. And when you tell her to add the rating stars to product to, and then she's going to think about it. Okay, then see there is a problem with the connection. She's now going to add a rating star to the product to see what happens. Rate as a C. And you can see rating stars is being added to products. You can see this is the console. She's adding the rating stars. Luxembourg. Okay, and then now you can see you just hit a free message limit, and you can see before after hitting the message limit, you see at least she have built something that is very important. Seems that is looking very good. So open with the preview so that we can see, and now let's see if we can open it in a new. No, you can say you want to copy, but you can see at least it is showing as a simple product. Here we can add a simple we can add here an email if we want, you can see, but it is still UX with no working. So on the next step we will be adding a simple part that is called UX and changing the colors step by step, seeing how it is working very well. So thank you, this is Coding Gain. Don't leave without subscribing because this is your channel and you'll be studying each and everything step by step. For now, because we are out of the free message, next day I will be showing you step by step, building step by step everything from scratch, like changing the scale, the size of these buttons, changing how these things work like, and you can see there are many of them. So don't hesitate, this is your boy, keep in touch and I'll be there for you.